welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. So today I have behind me a Dacia Sandero 2013 and I'm going to show you where the OBD port is. Let's get into it. So the Dacia Sandero OBD port is not on the driver's side, guys, so come with me, round we go to the passenger side. Okay, and if you want to just head for the glove box, okay, pull your glove box down, take out all your book pack, etc., and right at the back you'll see a little tab just there. Okay, you just got to pinch it, turn it to one side as the cover, and underneath that reveals your OBD port. Okay, so nice and easy on the Dacia Sandero in the glove box for your OBD port. Okay guys, as ever, if that helps you out, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.